Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm in Bangkok right now. I am staying at a hotel that I haven't stayed before, but I heard a lot of good things about this hotel. It's called the Oriental Residence in Bangkok. So it's owned by Mandarin Oriental. So it has definitely the elegance and everything of that brand. But this is like a younger line, as I think how I put it. It's more stylish, more chic, and actually I very much like it. And the lady who bring me up on this floor told me this is newly renovated with like lighter color, brighter, and the fixture, and I really like it. Okay, so because it's a residence, I'm going to give you a quick room tour. I'm here for 2 nights, and I got a 1-bedroom prestige or premier suite with the park view. So I'm going to give you the room tour. So again, as it is residence, it has the kitchenette. So you can see it has the high-end toaster, the kettle, the coffee machine, the capsule coffee machine, and then a few bottles of water. And then if you stay here for longer, actually there's even a washer, and then the stove top, as well as the microwave oven. Okay, let me open. Okay, so they got some cutlery. Okay, so let me open those drawers. Oh, very nice plate, saucepan, and such. Okay, so let me move here. Okay, so is a nice small round table, very comfortably seat 2 to 3 people. And then there's a work desk over here. I think someone just called me, hold on. Okay, let me continue. So they just have a courtesy call from the reception to ask me if everything is good. So, which is very great service. So I just talked to her and let her know everything is good, so I continue with my room tour. Okay, so this is the work desk. Okay, and then this is the silver area with the television, and then the mini bar, and that's the pricing. So you can see I got the park view. So I'm on the 9th floor. But this is pretty good because actually if you go too high, you feel you are facing more the apartment and not so close to the greens. So actually I do not mind to have the room on the 9th floor, which is really perfect for me from that perspective, because normally I like high floor. But this park view, I would recommend, this level would be nice. Okay, so let me walk in, and that is my bedroom. Needless to say, I always check the mattress, the linen, the pillow, and everything. And it's really gorgeous. Okay, another TV over here. And let me open. Okay, so they have the hangers and the slippers for the laundry. Okay, and they have the iron and iron board. Again, I have the same park view from the bedroom. So this is the view that I wake up to in the morning, which is super nice. Okay. And actually, if you look at this pattern, is throughout this hotel, which is very, very classy and elegant. Okay, so let's take a look at the bathroom. Yes, this is the bathroom. So they have the bathtub, very deep bathtub for 1 person. They have a single sink over here and open puree. Okay, this is the amenity they're using. And then very nice, high quality bathrobes, as well as the towels. course, the rain shower and the amenities, and also the dressing table with the Dyson hair dryer, and all the amenities. So again, I'm here for 2 nights. I will have breakfast here. I'm bringing someone in for meetings today. So probably we will check out the coffee place, the cafe, in the afternoon. So yes, just continue to follow me. I think this is going to be another very interesting hotel that I will recommend my audience to stay. Good morning. I'm now still at the Oriental Residence in Bangkok. I'm on the 4th floor, so I'm checking out the swimming pool and the fitness center. There was somebody swimming at the swimming pool, so I will just talk about it here and show you, the swimming pool view, so not to disturb anyone.